What do you want to say?
Hi, hi.
Hi, hi,
Hi.
hi. Hi, everybody. Pikey, do you want to put on some sunglasses? Those are pretty cool. See what they look like? You want to put them on?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, Mommy will help you. What? Now you're eating sunglasses. Okay. Let's see. Put them on here just like so. Whoa, who's that handsome guy?
Hi.
Hi. Looking good. Pikey, what sound does a pig make?
Hi.
What does a piggy say? Yeah. What sound does a doggy make? Yeah, totally. What sound does a kitty cat make?
Meow.
Meow. Yeah. What sound does a snake make? Yeah, totally. Ooh, how about a tiger? Yeah. A lion too, right? A lion? Yeah, like roar. That's pretty cool. How about a mouse?
Meow.
Yeah, that's a sign for mouse. What's the sign for alligator? Yeah, like chomping mouth. Wow. And you just are too cool. What? Okay, let's say bye-bye. The recording's almost over. Let's say bye-bye.
Hi.
Bye-bye. Bye. You have a doggy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye.